Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I am going to show you how I made $5,200 within a week. Okay guys, so I'm going to show it with you with proof, okay, and it's no bullshit, it's just straightforward way. So guys, before we begin this video guys, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online with affiliate marketing the straightforward way, no bullshit. I show you the exact way. Okay, so no one would show you, okay, because I see a lot of YouTube gurus, they show something else and then they do something else. I'm not like that. I'm gonna show you the right way. So please consider subscribing, and now let's get back to the video. So as you could see, this is my Clickbank, and I think so I'm the only person on YouTube who shows their Clickbank account, as well as I will click and show you. Okay, so again, XC Pure, so I was running XC Pure, and again I'm getting a lot of orders, and again this was a test account, so again I'm still running that offer. And guys, you can run the same offer. Okay, for me, I don't care about competition. I want you to make money as well, because I know I suffered a lot. I wanted a lot of money and I didn't knew the right ways to do it. So this is the right way which I'm going to show you. But again guys, again, before you begin, your mindset should be correct as well. So I'm a firm believer in positive mindset. Okay, so just to give you an example, if I go on my community, so I constantly post things on this YouTube page. So if you could see over here, this was 13 days ago. Okay, if you check 13 days ago, okay, it was around before, like, 8 9, and then again I made a mindset where I told myself I will make $100 by this Tuesday, $1,000 by this Tuesday. Okay, November 7 is, let me check, November 7 is, okay, so again this Tuesday was this. In fact, I made before that thing. Okay, so again, law of attraction, positivity, get your mindset correct. Okay, you just say that you will receive money. Okay, that's there, that's done. Once your mindset is correct, now I'm going to show you the right way of how to do it. So this was the video which I was shot few weeks back, so I'll show it to you right now. My name is Yavar Khan, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make $1,000 without a website. As you could see right now, it is 7 a.m. in the morning, so I wasn't feeling sleepy, so that's how it is, right? It's easy. So all I have to do is just come on Clickbank, marketplace. I would say right now one of the really good offers is this one, expire. So what I'm gonna do is promote, just create a hop link, copy this thing. Okay, just open it over here. Okay, this looks really good. The next thing is just when you click on order now, make sure your name is there. So let me check. So this is something, so yeah, my name is there. Next thing, I'm gonna go on this thing. Click Magic is a tracking tool. I just go over here, I just type a expire direct offer. Okay, then just paste it over here, add an affiliate, and then I'm gonna do Clickbank. Once Clickbank affiliate is done, create a offer. Okay, expi, it doesn't matter if your spelling is wrong, you're gonna make money. Again, copy the whole thing again, paste it over here. When you paste it, again just check. So again, you can check this way as well. Yeah, it shows Yavar Khan, so it's fine, it's working. Next thing you want to do is come on Bing Ads. You can go on Google Ads as well, anything is preferred. I would say Bing Ads. With Bing Ads you can do direct linking, but with Google you need a landing page, guys. Just go and create a campaign. And by the way guys, again, I create a lot of videos on how to make money online, so please consider subscribing. And this is the most easiest way you can make money. All I have to do is just visit the site, search ads. Okay, next, once this is done, it's called expire, expire budget. I'm gonna do $100. I'll start with 100. Let me choose. Always go with tier 1 countries. So again, these are the list of tier 1 countries. Again, that's United. Let me check if my video is recording. Cancel. Yeah, it is recording. United, United, into United States, United Kingdom, AUSTRI, Australia. Again, I don't even know the spelling of Australia. Okay, and then okay, Australia. Then New Zealand, New Zealand, okay, New Zealand. What else is there? So a lot of tier countries. I would just choose English speaking for now. Okay, you can choose any. I would choose this. Save and go to next step. Again, what I'm gonna do is, so this is the keywords which I'm gonna type. Reviews, buying keywords, and expire. My spelling is also wrong, doesn't matter guys. Expire, expure, even I'm pronouncing it wrong. The expure. Okay, expure, make sure the spelling is right. EXIPURE, and then just go on match keywords. Okay, free tools are there. Exact match, change to lowercase, phrase match. Again, modified broad match, don't select it. Now it's no more. I'm gonna do reviews. Okay, paste over here, make a keyword list, copy this, come over here. So I'll say expire, add group name, expired reviews. Okay. By the way guys, naming is really important in my course. It's a free training course, the link is down below. I show you how to do it. Expired reviews, that's done. The next thing is buying keywords. Come over here, clear fields, paste it over here, make a keyword list, copy this, go over here, what is it called, like buying keywords, add group. Can add a new group. Expire, original, OG, add group. Again, come over here, clear list, paste. Okay, make a keyword list. Go back on the website, paste it over here. Again, save and go to next step. Once that's done guys, it's very simple. All you have to do is, again, search on Google expire supplements, expire reviews, and then this is how it is. So I can say expire. So all of these you can see on Google. Okay, so Google, and this is Bing. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, this is Bing. Okay, so all you have to do is just copy the whole thing, expire official website. So now for reviews, I'm gonna do Google reviews. So I'm just gonna search on Google. So over here it's there. I can try expire official review. As you've seen this, okay, expired. Okay, I can do expired reviews. Go back over here, expired reviews. So for your ad, it's going to be before the question mark. So come over here, it's gonna be same for everything. Okay, that's there. And then it will be your this link. Okay, so just check over here. Okay, paste it, URL template, just for right now, just to check. Okay, just test, so make sure everything is working. So your landing page is found. Okay, now just go over your expired review, just copy from your guys. So I'll just copy the whole thing. Okay, just do the same thing. So description, paste it. Okay, and then let's use effectively, and then you can do is with expire. What's this? Okay, so I did copy a lot. Okay, copy this. Okay, copy this. copy this again, just copy paste and make it 10% better. Okay, so some things okay, official should, okay, I'll just copy this. Okay, now expired reviews, don't buy you read 2021. So do this for everything. So if I just save, okay, just copy add, and then copy add to all other ad groups, edit. So it's gonna be expired again, go back on my sheet, it's gonna be, let's see, yeah, so this one. So again guys, site links are also over here. You can create site links, which I'm not gonna do right now for this video, and just copy it. So again, where did it go? Okay, expire official website. I wouldn't suggest using official website, but expire. Okay, I wouldn't use expire official. And then I'm gonna do 90% or 70, 85 volt, and do this for the rest of them as well. So I'm just gonna pause the video, do it for the rest of them, and do some variation. So for here it would be buy now. Okay, so now for the other one it would be save. Okay, copy add. Okay, you can do it order now. Okay, order now, do it. Then for the other one it could be copy add. Okay, it is going to be free shipping, so you can do this SHI BPM free shipping. So again, just create different variations. So I'm just gonna do that right now. So guys, once this is done, so I made the ads, save and go to next step. All you have to do is, again, I will start with $4, okay, or 3.5, it's fine. 3 I'll start with 3.5. okay, start everything with 3.5. okay, and I would do it with enhance CPC, and I'll make sure campaign targeting is all of these countries, everything's there. And also over here, making sure my ad distribution is this one, and just gonna save it. So that's about it guys, and this thing is done. I'll add my payment gateway, and I'm gonna do that. And then guys, other things are you can replicate. Okay, there are other products as well over here. You can find more products on MaxWeb, so you can go over here, and then campaigns or affiliates. Let me just pause. So imagine there are other products as well. You can start getting payouts per 69, and even the conversion rate is a lot. So guys, it's very simple, and I would update you with the results tomorrow. And there's a lot to do guys. Once this is done, you can create a landing page. I can show you the landing page as well. So this is from my spy, so I can create a landing page like this. Let me just open. So just click over here. So guys, it's simple as it is. That's it guys. You can do it on Google, and you can make a lot of money. And I think so that's it for today's video. If you really like this video, please consider subscribing, and I will show you the results tomorrow. And Yavar Khan signing off. So guys, I hope you really like that video. I hope it's insightful. If you would like to learn more about this, I've created a free course guys, a free course. You can go check it out. It's a free case study where exactly I ran a product just like this, and I made a lot of money. Again, it's the exact same strategies I use. So it's a free video. Go and check it out. The link is down below. And if you find this video valuable, please consider subscribing. And Yavar Khan signing off. And I know I don't post a lot of videos guys, and I'm not consistent, but for me, whenever I come up with a video, I come up with a banger. I come up with a lot of information, and for me, I want to give value rather than creating videos every day which doesn't make any sense. So that's how it is guys. Just click on the notification, so whenever I post a video, you'll receive a notification. And usually I post 2 to 3 videos a month, because for me, I'm earning money as well. I have a family as well. I have a full-time job. So again, just removing time to create these videos just to help you all. So just let me know if you all have any questions. Just leave anything if you have in comments, and that's it. Yavar Khan signing off.